I'm gonna add bodies to butterflies. I take a body and I like to put a little bead cap on the end. I use 18 gauge spool of wire, galvanized steel, nothing fancy. I have my butterfly that I've made, and I ink print the back, cut it out, and I'll hook it together kind of like this. A couple of tools I use. I like this one that has kind of a graduated round end so that I can have different diameters of circles, but it isn't necessary. All right, so basically I'm gonna start with a hole, like a loop in the end. I take this and I wrap it around at the end, and then I'm going to feed both ends through my bead cap. So I want this part here to have a sharp turn on it. So I've wrapped it around 2 times. I grab it with this piece here, and then I make a kind of a 90-degree turn. That way when it slides in on my bead cap, it has a loop to keep it from falling out the end. I put both ends through my bead cap. Some bead caps are really narrow and you can't get both ends through. I don't really sweat it. I'm gonna put one through on this one through the middle of my body. And then I'm going to push that tight onto the end and snug up my my butterfly kind of behind. And then I'm going to slip my butterfly wings in between so that I'm capturing my butterfly wings with the wire. So here on the front end, you're going to see one wire going through the butterfly body and one going through behind the wings, and I'm going to wrap those together. I'm going to take and just wrap tightly so that I'm capturing my wings tightly. I'm going to get them out of the way a little. So then I have this sort of action for my antenna. I might cut this guy off so that he's about the same length as the other one. Hang on a minute. And then I'm just gonna...
No rush. I'll come get back with you later.
Okay. I'm just gonna twist this around so that I'm making an antenna that is kind of spirally. And then I'll do the same for this guy. And then I'm going to scoot that wing up a little. And there we are. Then I can kind of suspend it by putting the fish line through this side, through the middle, and up here so that it suspends like that.